Hey guys, and welcome to Skincare Sundays. So if you do not know me from my other series on my channel, my name is Alana J, and on Sundays, every first Sunday and last Sunday of the month, I will be here to tell you guys tips and tricks to help with skincare, mask, just starting a routine, and just kind of just getting your skin feeling really good. um always make sure that you are washing your face and keeping it moisturized. So on this series, that is the things that we're going to be just going over, and I'll just be sharing my experience with my skin with you guys. So in today's little short intro video, I will be doing my daily routine. However, it is nighttime, so I do it morning and night, but it's my daily washing routine for my skin. Sorry, for my skin. And I do this twice a day. Usually it depends on if I'm busy or not. And yeah, I just like to make sure that my skin is feeling moisturized and rejuvenated and just feeling really good, whether I'm on my way to school or on my way to bed. So I just have my phone with me, and usually I'll have like a list of the masks that I'll be reviewing. However, today I'm not doing any masks. I'm just doing my regular routine. So we're about to get into that. Do not forget to follow me on my socials. My socials will be right here, and then my Instagram page will be right here. And also, do not forget to subscribe down below. This is going to be our relaxing series. We're going to use a blue light. We'll have a candle. We'll have tea, little chats. You guys can DM me on my socials and tell me what skin stuff you guys see out there and want me to try or review for you. So yeah, let's just get into my daily skin routine. Alright y'all, so we are now in my bathroom. It's technically my mother's bathroom, but it is her bathroom in her room, so it's a little bit more private, so I won't be interrupted by people. But yeah, I am just going to start on this daily routine that I do. So the first thing that I do is I rinse my face. So I do have makeup on, so it's a really good example of how I wash my face multiple times with makeup on. But I would use the Dove Gentle Exfoliating Beauty Bar. This is the one I use, the box. So I'm just about to start. Yeah. So guys, after I try to make sure that majority of the makeup is off my face, I'm then going to go back to my room and I am going to start the moisturizing process. However, usually if I have like makeup on my face, I'll use a toner, and I'll show you guys how I use that in just a second. So guys, we are back in my room, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take what is this, Thayer's Witch Hazel. I use this witch hazel when I wear makeup for long periods of time because it helps me take the rest of it off pretty much, just in case I didn't take it all off when I was washing my face with the Dove soap. So I kind of wet that pretty well The flavor is, or the scent or whatever, is rose petal. So yeah, I just put that all over my face just to make sure when I get into the moisturizer part that I'm not sealing in any residue makeup. Like, I'm not sealing in any residue makeup into my pores, because we don't want that. That would be so bad, and that's when that's how breakouts can occur. So I like put this on my eyes and everything. I really try to make sure like nothing has makeup. So yeah, I just put it on my eyes because I did have lashes on, so you know, lash glue, you don't know what that stuff is made of, you know, you don't want it staying on your face. So after I just wipe this off, I look at it just to see like how well I washed my face. So I think I did a pretty good job. It's not as dark, and it looked like it mostly came from my eyes. So that's good, that's good. The next thing that I do, I take my Holy Grail bottle of aloe vera 100% gel. This doesn't have any color added. It is the pure aloe vera from the plant. They just bottled it so that it's really convenient for people. And yeah, this is like holy grail of moisturizers and keeping your skin moisturized from what you just did. This is what it looks like. You can pick this up at your local Target, local CVS, local Walgreens, Walmart, wherever. And this bottle, I use this every single day, twice a day. And this is the amount that I use. Like, I usually use that amount, like quarter of a size, a little bit more than a dime size amount, sometimes more if I feel like I just had a ton of grease on my face or something. That moisturizer is literally everything. Everything. That moisturizer is everything. And that lasts me a long time. So this is definitely the investment. I think it's only probably like $2 to $3, maybe even cheaper. So yeah. The type of skin that I have oily skin. However, it's mostly my T-zone that's oily. I have gotten like dry patches underneath my eyes, especially in the wintertime, because it just gets so crisp outside and I just get so pale. So what I really do is make sure that like all of the moisturizer is really underneath my eyes. My T-zone will be okay if I skip on it a little bit, just because it's naturally oily. And then after I'm done rubbing that into my skin, making sure it's all in my skin, you'll start to feel your skin kind of harden a little bit because it is a gel, so don't be afraid. Then to just soften it up a little bit, I use the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. This has a salicylic acid acne medication, so this helps with breakouts and it helps prevent the pimples and treats the pimples. So with that combination of the aloe vera gel and this, I can get rid of pimples. If I catch it early and it hasn't completely surfaced, I can get rid of pimples in a day. So if you follow my little routine, like I do like 5 squirts at a time, and sometimes I'll do more, but this is what the bottle looks like. And I've been using these products for, I want to say about 3 years. 3 years. Definitely after high school, I was sitting there like, what is with these breakouts? And I just wasn't having it. So yeah guys, that is really the end of my daily skin routine. And I hope you guys enjoy this new series and keep coming back for more. Remember, it is the first of every Sunday. the first of the month Sunday and the end of the month Sunday, if that makes sense. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for joining Skincare Sundays. Bye guys.